You can see this, and this plot is just now rotated with corresponding to some rotation we have done. So I don't want to rotate as of now. So simplicity to I will eventually give this kind of states with corresponding to the different region. Or we need to understand what exactly the profit is and what exactly the sales are from the which city is coming from. So this is very eventual, simple, basic plot. And also you can see the card. How does the card going to be represented with respect to profit and also the quantity, you can see, and those sales, total number of the sales you want to be represent. You can also drill down with the minimum or the maximum, average, summation, and count this thing, variance, median, and the show label as no calculation of the percent of the grand total. So for quick references, you have to be make sure to understood about your kind of the dashboard to the end user. So that is a basic sense out of your dashboard and also the plotting of nature, and also would like to understand this mind of the terminology and this kind of the mindset to eventually to understood. And also you have to be think about the concepts with respect to the why this is going to be happen, the increasing trend or decreasing trend, what they eventually gives us some kind of idea or exploration with respect to the simple, you can say the superstore report. We would like to invite and another dashboard with going to be represented the same as like this, some sales summary with represented to some other table, or you can say some other data. So this is also eventually straightforward. So you can create multiple different plots and showcasing the different environments. This is very straightforward stuff, I would say, once you understood the concept how to create any kind of the plots. So if you are just understanding about what are the different clinical techniques we have applied with respect to the plots and also the matrix data cards, slicers, and also you can say the card, simple card, and also the different plots we are going to be showcased. So this is much more straightforward. You can also see this is somehow similar kind of the things with respect to whatever we have seen. Same thing with respect to the profit by region, but alignment is somewhat same, right? At the time we have seen that plot, at the time we have seen that kind of the dashboard, those alignments are in the left side. But in this dashboard, we can see in the right side, right? So much more easier when compared to whatever the alignment you require to understood or required to take some insight from your data sets. This is very simplicity to get the knowledge. You can see the number of the cells in this blue line. I think it's represented as some west region, so that you will get some idea of analysis. 37 percentage of the values, 37.8% of the values are let's considering with respect to the subcategory and also the category with regarding some sales you will get, right? And also the mode, ship mode you want to be specified. Understanding the dashboard is very important while doing some of the plots. So once you get the hands-on or once you get some understanding, this is very simple, I would say simple slider. If you want to be showcased as a vertical or horizontal mode, just go to the formats and try to understand the slices. You can see the orientation is horizontal. If I go to click or vertical nature, it would become the whatever we have seen in that sheet, right? Whatever we have seen in the first dashboard. So you can see if I click again horizontal, it will make the simpler life simpler as soon as possible with corresponding. You can resize as much as you want. You can modify the things which much better, and also the slider settings with some of the coloring natures you want to be showcased with respect to the text and also the values. So in the next upcoming classes, we are also going to be see how to publish and what are the different techniques we are going to be take care consideration, and what are the different methods to handle with respect to the different plots we have. Thank you.